next topic, that is based on degree. Based on degree. So first of all, do you know the definition of the degree and how can we find the degree of the monomials and the binomials and more than monomials? That means can you find the degree of a monomial and can you find the degree of other than monomials? Monomials, binomials, trinomials and multinomials. Can you do? I'll explain. I will explain some examples here. First is the degree. First of all, if you don't know the degree, you can write the notes for degree. Here, keep the heading and write it. If you know the definition of the degree, so no need to write. Directly you are moved to the topic. Degree. For example, I will explain. First of all, degree for monomials. Degree for first of all monomials. After that, other than monomials. That means binomials, trinomials, multinomial have the same method, but monomials has somewhat different. That is, for example, I am writing a monomial 3x square y square. 3x square y square, is it monomial? Is this monomial? Yes. So now we are finding the degree of this monomial. The degree of the monomial is the sum of exponents in the monomial. The sum of exponents of variables. So sum of exponents. What here? Two variables. What are the variables we have? X, y. X has an exponent 2. X has an exponent 2. Y has an exponent 2. So we have to add these two. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So the degree of this monomial is 4. The sum of the exponents of variables. Either 2 variables or 3 variables, 1 variable, whatever. This is the first step. If you can't understand the first example, I will write one more example. That is a square bc. So observe this example. Here, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. What are that? A, B, C. The sum of the exponents of variables. First of all, A has 2 plus B has 1 plus C has 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the degree of A square BC is equal to 4. A square BC is equal to 4. Now third example. For example, minus x square. Tell me now, how many variables are there here? Only one, that is x. What is the exponent of x? 2. So the degree of the monomial is 2. Did you understand, my dear students? For example, one more example. Fourth one, minus 270y cube. What is the degree of minus 270y cube? Yes, absolutely 3. It has only one variable, y. Y has an exponent 3. So the degree of the exponent is 3. The degree of the monomial is 3. This is the way to find the degree of monomials. This is the way of finding the variables, the degree of the monomials. Here, what are the variables? Either 2 or 3 or 1 or whatever. So, if you have 2 variables, count the variables and their powers. The 2 variables are there, x and y. X has an exponent 2 and y has an exponent 2. There is some 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is degree. The same way, a square bc, the degree of x, a has an exponent 2, b has 1, c has 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. The degree of the monomial is 4. The same way, minus x square. X has an exponent 2, so here monomial is, so the degree is 2. The same way this is the way of finding the degree of monomial. If you don't know the degree of polynomials or algebraic expression, you can keep the heading degree, write the definition, some examples like that. If you know the degree definition and you can find the degree of the variables. So the degree of the monomials, you don't need to write. Okay? So తెలిస్తే degree definition monomials ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనే విషయం తెలిస్తే నువ్వు నీకు రాయొద్దు. తెలియకపోతే ఒకసారి దీన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయి. Now we can discuss other than monomials. Simply other than monomials. Monomials కానీ other than monomials. Other than monomials means either binomials or trinomials or multiple. For example, I am taking one example. First of all, starting with binomial a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Observe the polynomial, that is a square minus b square. Here, how many terms it has? How many terms it has? Yes, absolutely two. A square is one term, b square is one term. That means if a polynomial having one term is called monomial. Okay, term monomial. That means the given question has two monomials. The given question has two monomials. What are that? A square, b minus b square. A square is one term, minus b square is one term. You can find the degrees by separating. The degree of the first term a square is 2. The degree of the first term a square is 2. The degree of minus b square also 2. Why? Because a has an exponent 2, b has an exponent 2. In these two, which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? 2 and 2. 2 are equal. So the greatest number, that is the degree of polynomial is 2. The 2 are equal. If you have first 3, 2, 3, 2. If you get first here 3, here 2, which is big? 3 is the big, then the degree is big. For example, we will discuss trinomial. xy minus y square z plus zy cube. So, if you observe the third question, it has three terms. First term is xy, second term y square z, third term zy cube. So, that means it has three monomials. Trinomial means trinomial means it has three monomials. First monomial xy, second monomial y square z, third monomial zy cube. Now, find the degree of first term. Here, two variables are there. So, xy find monomial, the sum of the powers of variables. So, here two variables are there. X has 1, y has 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. The same way coming to here. Here two variables are there. Those are y and z. Y has 2, z has 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here. Now coming to here. Here two variables are there. That is z and y cube. Z has 1, y has 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, what is the highest number among 2, 3, 4? What is the highest number? Highest number is 4. So, the degree of the polynomial, the given polynomial is 4. Did you understand, my dear students? Did you understand? So, other than monomials, find the degree of every term. Every term is every monomial. In the numbers, which is the big, that is the degree. Here 2, 3, 4, 4 is the highest number, 4 is the degree. 2, 2, then 2 are same, so 2 is the degree. So we can discuss third example, we can understand. Third example. For example, I am writing x, every question has x or y, so some different. P square q minus pq plus p square q square minus r cube. Now we can find the degree of the polynomial. The given polynomial has 4 terms, 4 unlike terms. 4 are unlike. Here if you see the first one pq, second term pq, third term pq, but their exponents are different. In the first term p square, second term only p. In the first term q, so first term q, second term q, but the third term has q square. Those are unlike terms. If the variables are equal, then exponents are not equal, then the terms are unlike terms. So we can find the degree of this polynomial. This polynomial has 4 terms. Now first, the degree of the first polynomial is p square q. The power of p square q. P has 2, q has 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. The same way, the second one pq, p1, q1, 1 plus 1 is 2. The same way, p square, q square, p2, q2, 2 plus 2 is 4. R cube, r power 3, so it has 3. So in these 3 terms, in these 4 numbers, 3, 2, 4, 3, which is the highest number? 4. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. The degree of the polynomial is 4. I hope you understand that. I hope you. So whenever you are, so write the notes. This is also. If you know unknown, తెలిసేనా తెలియకపోయినా ఈ degree for monomials and the degree for other than monomials we have to write. So if you know the definition of degree and if you know the how can you find the degrees of the polynomial, you can understand very easily the concept of based on degree. మీకు ఇవన్నీ బాగా తెలిసినాయి అనుకోండి, based on degree the types of polynomials very easy గా ఉంటుంది. Are you okay my dear students? When you are writing the notes, I told you 2 and 3 examples for other than monomials. You have to write two more. Here I wrote 4 examples for monomials. Write one more here. Are you okay? I'll do some work from on this degrees and this type of this work. Okay? Note of this one. Are you okay? I'm ready. So now I can move. Now we can. Not only I can. You can move on to the topic. The types of polynomials based on degree. You can do this. So last one question to you students, that is what is the degree of constant? What is the degree of constant term? Constant term means numbers, numericals. What is the degree of 2? What is the degree of 5? What is the degree of 2 by 7? What is the degree of 5 by 7? What is the degree of 0.3? What is the degree of 8.5? The degree of the constant term is 0. How it is? For example, if you have 2, I am writing the besides x to the power of 0. 2 power 2 into x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So it becomes 2. So 2 x to the power of 0. What is the variable here? X. What is the power of x? 0. So the degree of 2 is 0. The degree of a constant term, simply the degree of a number is 0. Numbers ki degree is 0. You can keep in your mind. Now we are coming to the topic. This is the most important, students. Types of polynomials. In the second case, we have discussed already first case, which is same as arbitrary expressions. This is based on degree. Based on degree. Types of polynomials based on degree. So we can write it in your syllabus. You can draw the table like this. The first thing is serial number, S number, and the next one is degree. And name of the polynomial. Name of the polynomial. And the fourth one is examples. That is first serial number, degree, name of the polynomial, examples. First one, serial number 1. So the first one, degree. Degree of a polynomial is 0. The degree of a polynomial, before that, not 0, not defined. Not defined. The degree of a polynomial we can't define. What is the degree of the polynomial? No, I can't. What is the degree of a polynomial? We can't define. Such polynomials are called zero polynomials. Such polynomials are called as zero polynomials. The example for is only 0. The only example. The degree of a polynomial is not defined, then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. The example is 0. Now the second is, the degree of a polynomial is 0. We have completed first case. The degree of a polynomial is 0, then the polynomial is called constant polynomial. then the polynomial is called constant polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is 0, then the polynomial is called constant. That's why I told you what is the degree of a constant number, sir? 0. Numericals, what is the degree of a constant numbers is 0. That's why you can write the numbers either positive, negative, fraction, decimal, whatever you can get. For example, 2, minus 5, minus 1 by 2, 2 by 7, and so on. These are the constant polynomials. Now, third. After that, the degree of a polynomial is 1. Then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is 1. Then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. That means we have to write a polynomial by using variables x, y, or a, b, c, and z, whatever you can. But the degree of a polynomial is 1. So I am writing the examples here. A plus b. So I will tell you one thing. So me doubt vastadi. Linear polynomial ante monomials rayala, binomials rayala, trinomials rayala, multinomial, whatever you can. ఏదైనా రాయండి. monomial రాసిన పర్వాలేదు, binomial or trinomial or multinomial. But the degree of the polynomial is 1. దానికి x కి y కి పవర్స్ ఎవరు ఉండాలంటే 1 ఏ ఉండాలి. అంటే 1 ఉంటే a plus b. So this is the binomial. How can we find the degree? The degree of a is 1. The degree of b is 1. Can we add? Can we add a 1 plus 1 is equal to? No. This is a binomial. We can find individually. The degree of the mono first term a is 1. The degree of the second term b is 1. In this 1 are equal. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Then it is linear polynomial. Now I am writing some examples. One to here. X minus y plus z. Is this linear polynomial? Is this linear polynomial? X has an exponent 1. Y has an exponent 1. Z has an exponent 1. So x is one term, y is another term, z is third term. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 are equal. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Now the third example. So you can write the third example. You can write the third example. If you have the space, write the fourth example also. And so on, etc. Here also, and so on, etc. Okay. Now fourth one is the degree of a polynomial is 2. The degree of a polynomial is 2. Then it is quadratic polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is 2. So again you have doubt. So what can you write here? Either degree 2 unde quadratic polynomial. Examples what can you write? Either monomials or binomials or whatever you write. Observe here. I wrote one binomial, one trinomial. If you want to write multinomial, you can. If you want to write monomial, you can. But the degree is important. And x a has 1, b has 1, x has 1, y has 1, z has 1. Right. Now here quadratic. I am writing like this. X square minus xy plus 3. I wrote somehow long x square minus xy plus 3. So x square minus xy plus 3 has 3 terms. 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. So when we are finding the degree, we can find individually. The first one, x square is 1 term. The degree of an x square is 2. Xy is 2. The degree of a constant term is 0. 2, 2, 0. What is the greatest number in these 3? 3. So 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial. So I am writing one more example here. Simply I am writing just a square minus b square plus 2ab. Sorry, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula for a minus b whole square. We will discuss that. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. It has 3 terms. This is also trinomial. So if you want to find the degree of a trinomial, we can find the degree of the monomial. So a square, the degree of a square is 2. The degree of b square is 2. The degree of 2ab is 2. 2, 2, 2. What is the greatest number? 2 is the greatest number. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. Write the third example your own way. So 3 or 4. If you have the space, write 2 more examples. If you have the less space, write only third example. Okay. Now coming to the fifth one. We will discuss it. That is, can you say the degree of a polynomial is 3? The degree of a polynomial is 3. Then this is cubic polynomial. What is that? Cubic polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is 3. Then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Again, if you want to write the examples, write monomial, binomial, or trinomial, or multinomial, whatever you can. But the degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. So I can write this. Now I am writing a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. I just write binomial. I just said binomial. So find the degree of a cube 3. Find the degree of b cube 3. 3 comma 3 highest number is 3. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. I am writing one more example, that is x, y, z. I just write monomial. Just monomial does x, y, z. What is the degree of x, y, z? Tell me. What is the degree of x, y, z? Has 3. X has 1, y has 1, z has 1. This is a monomial. Monomial. You can add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this is also called cubic polynomial. Right? One more example you wish. And keep dots and etc. Right? Write 2 or 3, 1 or 2 examples. Next. And the last one, sixth one is the degree of a polynomial is 4. The degree of a polynomial is 4. Then this is biquadratic polynomial. The name of the polynomial is biquadratic. What is the meaning of quadratic? Quadratic is 2. Bi means 2. 2 2s are 4. That's the degree of a polynomial is 4. Then this is biquadratic polynomial. Are you okay, my dear students? The degree of a polynomial is 4. The quadratic means 2. Bi means 2. 2 plus 2 4. So the degree of a polynomial is 4. Then the polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. So keep in your mind, quadratic 2 by 2. 2 plus 2 4. That's it. Now I am writing examples for this. X square y square minus xy. But dear students, observe this example. X square y square minus xy. This is a binomial. It has 2 terms. Those are x square y square xy. You can find the degrees of x square y square xy individually. The degree of x square y square is x has 2, y has 2, 2 plus 2 4. X, y 1 1 2. 4 comma 2. 4 is the highest number. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. So I am writing one more example. That is a power 4 minus b cube plus 3abc. Tell me the degree of this polynomial. A power 4 minus b cube. This is a trinomial. First degree of the first term is 4. The degree of the second term is 3. The degree of the third term is 3. In this 4, 3, 3, what is the highest number? 4 is the highest number. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. Then it is a biquadratic polynomial. Again, you have to write 2 examples for this. Okay. After this example, you can close this check. You can close this check.